Hello students, so today I am going to teach you the topic conversion of kilometers into meters and vice versa from your chapter 7, that is measurement. So in this chapter I already given you videos, okay, and in that videos I discussed about warm-up exercises and the topic for conversion of meters into centimeters and vice versa. So I hope that that topic is clear to you all. So now today I'm going to teach you this topic, and this topic is very simple, same like the conversion of meters into centimeters and vice versa. So what you have to do, first of all I'm going to teach you the conversion of kilometer into meter, kilometer into meter. Okay, so as we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert kilometers into meters, multiply the number of kilometers by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So when we have to convert kilometers into meters, then simply we will multiply the kilometer into 1000 and we will get into meters. Okay, so for example, Samir knows that his school is 2 kilometers from his house. How far is his school from his house in meters? So that is 2 kilometers. So that 2 kilometer you have to multiply with 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000, we all know. So 2 kilometer means that 2 into 1000, that is 2000 meter. Okay, so simply thus Samir's school is 2000 meter from his house. So that's very simple and easy, that how we can convert kilometers into meters, that because we all know, same like in meters into centimeters, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we multiplied by 100 in to convert meters into centimeters. But here we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So whenever we have to convert kilometers into meter, simply we will multiply the kilometer into 1000. Okay, now next, conversion of kilometer and meter into meter. Now conversion of kilometer and meter both into meter. So to convert kilometers and meters into meters, multiply the number of kilometers by 1000, then add the product to the number of meters. So same like what I taught you in conversion of meters and centimeters into meters. So same you have to do here. First of all you have to convert the kilometer into meter. After that you have to add the meter in that meter. Okay, so what is the question is that convert 5 kilometer 570 meter into meter. 5 kilometer 570 meter into meter you have to convert. So 5 kilometer, first we will convert the 5 kilometer into meter. So 5 into 1000, so that is 5000 meter. Okay, now in meter how much number is given here? 570. So 5000 meter plus 570 meter is equal to 5570 meter. Okay, so that's very simple, that 5 kilometer 570 meter is equal to 5570 meter. Okay, now conversion of meter into kilometer. Now here vice versa, that how we can convert meter into kilometer. So that's very simple. To convert meters into kilometers, we divide the number of meters by 1000. So what I taught you to convert means that centimeter into meter, we have to divide that one by 100. And here when we are going to convert meter into kilometer, we have to divide numbers by 1000. Okay, so first we have to convert 6572 meter into kilometer. So what you have to do, you have to divide that one by 1000. So when you will divide 6572 by 1000, so what you will get? 6, then 6000, and remaining remainder is 572. So that 6 is 6 kilometer and 572 meters. So that's simple, that 6572 meter is equal to 6 kilometer 572 meter. Okay, so that's very simple. To convert meter smaller unit into kilometer bigger unit, we have to divide by 1000. Okay, short method what we can do, to convert meter into kilometer, just write the last 3 digit as meter and remaining digits as kilometer. So last 3 digit means that there is a very short method also, that whenever we are going to convert kilometer, okay, meter into kilometer, so that meter from that meter the last 3 digit is meter, okay, and remaining digit is kilometer. Okay, so simply you can take that one as a meter and remaining as a kilometer. For example, 1725, so last 3 digit is 725, so 1 kilometer 725 meter. That's very simple. So on the basis of these all topics, you have to complete the exercise 7a. So in that, first question is given, convert into centimeter, so 5 meter, then simply you have to multiply into 100, so 5 into 100 500, 4200, very simple, these all are given. Second question, convert the following into meter and centimeter. So here in centimeter these all are given, you have to convert into meter and centimeter. So for that you have to divide that one by 100, so simply you can divide that one. Okay, now third one is that convert into meter. So here some kilometers are given, you have to convert that one into meter. So for that you will multiply that one by 1000. Okay, now 4, fill in the blanks just by writing the last 3 digit as meter and the remaining as kilometer. That what I taught you about the sort method. So that you have to do here, that last 3 digit you have to write as meter, okay, and remaining you have to write as kilometer. For example, A 1415 meter, so last 3 digit 415 is meter, okay, and 1 is kilometer, so 1 kilometer 415 meter. So in the same way you have to do these all. Okay, now here the next topic is that addition of lengths. So how you can add lengths, that I am going to teach you. Okay, and on the basis of that you have to do exercise 7b. So adding meter and centimeter, how you can add meter and centimeter, that's very simple. First of all you have to make 2 columns, okay, and in one column you have to mention meter, in another column you have to mention centimeter, okay, and you have to write the given lengths. So here one example is given, Anicha bought 1 meter 50 centimeter cloth for a shirt, okay, and 2 meter 75 centimeter for trouser. So what is the total length of the cloth bought by Anicha? So that's very simple. In your previous classes also you studied about addition of lengths. So first of all you have to make 2 columns. In first column you will mention meter, in second column you will mention centimeter, and you will put the means that numbers in the correct column. So first is that 1 meter 50 centimeter, so 1 meter 50 centimeter you will write. Second number is that 2 meter 75 centimeter, so that you will write, and we will start adding from centimeter column, that as we all know that we start adding from left side. Okay, so we will start adding from left side. That one is that 50 and 75, so 50 and 75, 5 0 and 5 5, okay, 7 5 12, and carry is 1, so that you will write in meter column, 1 1 2, okay, and 2 4. So thus Anicha bought 4 meter 25 centimeter cloth in total. So that's very simple. Now how you can add kilometer and meter, that I taught you about meter and centimeter. Now I am going to teach you about how you can add kilometer and meter. So one example is also given here. Here also you have to make 2 columns, okay. First one, in first column you will write kilometer, in second column you will write meter. So you have to add 17 kilometer and 560 meter, 5 kilometer 780 meter, and 15 kilometer 8 meter. So there 3 digits are given here. First is that 17 kilometer 560 meter, second is that 5 kilometer 780 meter, and third one is that 15 kilometer 8 meter. Okay, so that all you have to do here. So that all you have to do here. Now how you can do that one? So first we will write these all in the columns, okay. So first we will arrange that one, and after that simply we will add. So 008 is 8, okay, and 008 is 8, 6 and 8 is 14 and 4, carry 1, 5 7 12 and 1 13 3, then again carry 1, 5 5 10 and 7 17 and 1 18 8, then 1 1 1 2 and 3. So these all are the simple addition. No need to worry that how we will add some meter and centimeter, how we will add kilometer and meter. That's very simple. So while adding kilometer and meter, number of meters are always written in 3 digits. For example, 5 meter is written as 005 meter, okay. So that all you have to do that one here. Now on the basis of that you have to complete exercise 7b, that is add the given lengths in each of the following. So here simple additions are given, you have to add that one. Okay, so simply you will add that one. In the next video I will discuss the topic subtraction of length, and on the basis of that you have to solve the exercise 7c. Okay, so go through the video and complete the exercise 7a and 7b. Thank you.